everybody, my name is Kendall if you didn't already know, and if you guys didn't know, you should definitely click that little subscribe button that's right down below to enter my fun little family as well as enter my giveaway. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, guys, and I'm so excited to give away a $25 gift card to a place of your choice and a bunch of personalized little goodies to whoever wins. So make sure if you want to enter, you look at the stuff in the description. There's just a few little teeny tiny rules and that's it. But before I start to ramble on too much, today's video is about my summer must-haves. I think I did this last year or maybe the year before. I don't really know when the last time I did this was, but I figured I'd give you my summer must-haves, share my fun things with you, and some of my favorites. So yeah, let's just get on into it. The first thing I'm going to go into is you always need a good summer reading book. I just finished the, oh shoot, what is it called? It's the Summer I Turned Pretty trilogy, I think. It's by Jenny Han. I'll leave it linked down below. It's super good. It's about a girl who falls in love with two brothers, and so good. Without spoiling too much, I love it. It's really long because it's 3 books in one. I got mine at Target. I'll see if I can link that description below. But yeah, it's really good. It's like 900 pages. I finished it in 5 days and I'm obsessed. The book I'm reading right now is You Are a Badass: How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life by Jen. I always say Jin, but it's Jen Sincero. So far so good. I'm not very far into it. I'm only on page 39. I live in Arizona, so here everybody's beautiful and tan, and as you can see, I'm not. Usually I am. I just had to scrub and exfoliate all my tan off because I went tubing with my friends Megan and Chelsea. Yeah, we went tubing and the dye on the tube rubbed off all over my body and I had to exfoliate everything. So I'm a little pale, but I promise I'll be tan again. If you're looking for a more natural, self-tanner kind of thing, I personally use the Jergens Natural Glow. I use the firming because it smells so much better than the regular one. The other one smells like poison. This one smells really nice. It has a sweeter scent. It does still smell like tanning lotion, but it's a little bit better. It is an award-winning natural tanning lotion and it has a great scent. Yeah. So yeah, you put it on and then you gradually get tanner. Usually it takes me about a week to get where I want to be, actually really tan, but it's really nice, it's really natural, really gradual, it's really easy to apply. As long as you put lotion on your elbows, your ankles, and your knees, you'll be good to go. You won't get any of the gross splotchiness. It's my favorite. If you're looking for something to help you tan outside, I would personally use the Maui Babe. You can get it at Ulta. I'll link it down below. My parents got this when they were in Hawaii and we used to have to order it online because they didn't sell it here, but now Ulta sells it and it's my favorite and I love it and it helps me get really tan. You just put it on, you sit outside, you bake a little. It's really natural ingredients and it's really nice. I'll try to insert a picture here. I'm not gonna go downstairs and grab it because it is literally the greasiest thing in the whole entire world. And I'm wearing white and it's brown. The next thing I have is if you're going to do heated hairstyles, I would highly recommend this. I just got sent this from Influencer, so I did get this for free. They sent me the shampoo, the conditioner, and then the heat primer. So if you're like me and you don't do anything to your hair, you don't necessarily need this, but for days that I want to look a little bit more presentable or blow dry my hair or curl my hair, I use this. It is a long wear heat primer. It is the blow dry glotion. It makes your hair super soft and really shiny. I really enjoy this product. So basically, all you do is you apply it after you towel dry your hair. You run it through your fingers and through your hair and you get it all nice. And at first it kind of feels a little bit sticky, and then you blow dry it and your hair is so soft and so shiny and so beautiful. So a thing I would recommend is a setting spray. If you wear makeup like I do, then I would highly recommend using a setting spray. I go between the Urban Decay All Nighter and then I just started trying the MAC Fix Plus, the Prep and Prime. It's really nice. I'll apply some right now. And it has that smell of inside the MAC store, which reminds me of like getting my makeup done for homecoming in high school, and it just makes me like reminisce. It's real cute. But no, I really, really like this. It's nice. Let me see. What are the ingredients? Does it say? I think it's so funny that like the first ingredient on all setting sprays is water. Water, glycerin, glycol, just words that I can't read because it's probably all chemicals, but it makes my makeup stay on real nice, and I really like it. My GoPro, yeah. The next thing that I have is my GoPro. I have the GoPro Hero Session 5. Wow, that's a mouthful. I also have the GoPro 4, which is I think the oldest version. But yeah, I would highly, highly, highly recommend if you want to do any sort of like underwater filming or just anything. You can vlog with this. It has great sound quality and the camera quality is insane. I film all of my drive with me's with my GoPro. I just hook it to my car, or to my dash, not to my car. I hook it to my dash and then I film, and it's super nice because I get full range and I can take it underwater. I can take it like if I went skydiving. I'm never gonna do that, but if I did, I could take it with me. But yeah, I really, really, really love my GoPro. I know they're super expensive, so you don't necessarily have to have a GoPro. I just think that a camera, some sort of camera, is a must-have during the summer because you want to remember, you want to take pictures, you want to have fun, take some videos. So if you're looking for something that you can take underwater and do fun things with, I would highly recommend a GoPro. They're not too bad, but I do understand that they are expensive. You live in Arizona and it's really hot. You gotta have a pool somewhere. Whether you go to Sunsplash, you go to Wet n Wild, you swim in your own backyard, you swim at the public pool, wherever you're swimming, you're gonna need a swimsuit. And I have 100 million of them. But I wanted to show just a couple. So right now, this is one of my favorites. It is super cute. It's from Target. All of my swimsuits are. But yeah, it's just cute and ruffly, and I love it. Like, look at this. It's so cute. I love. It's so simple. It's very pretty. Yeah, I wore this to the lake in Kansas. It's really fun. It stays on really well because I jumped in many times. If you haven't seen my Kansas vlog, go watch it. I'll try and card it right here. How does this work? I'm struggling. This one is also from Target. This one's from last year. I don't know if they sell it this year. If they do, I'll try to find it. It's just got little pineapples on it. It's so cute and dainty and fun. And then like, look at these bottoms. These are on clearance right now at Target. They're so cute. They're so fun. And they're not cheeky. They cover pretty much your whole butt. So I like it. They're fun. Yeah, you gotta have a good swimsuit. I would highly recommend Target. Walmart actually has some really cute ones that I saw the other day. So, as I have mentioned a million times on my channel before, but if you don't know, I'm Kendall and I have dry skin. So when I use things like sunscreen and I sit out in the sun all day, my skin gets super dry, which sucks, but I would highly recommend these little face masks. Will it focus? This one, no, of course not. Nothing ever wants to work. But anyway, this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost face mask. This is literally the best thing in the whole entire world. I've raved about this to all my friends. I've raved about it to YouTube before. It is so nice. You put it on, you leave it overnight, and it's so cooling, and it leaves your skin feeling real nice, and it's super cheap. They're like $2. You get them at literally any drugstore. My last thing is you gotta have a good pair of shorts. These ones are super cute. They're from Target. They're mid-rise. I got them, I think, last year. They have, I believe, a 2-inch inseam. I think. I don't know. It doesn't really say. But yeah, I think it's probably like a 2-inch inseam. I usually go for 2.5 to 3 because I don't like my butt to hang out of my shorts. They're super comfy, super cute. I have a bunch of Aeropostale ones. I just got some really cute ones from The Gap, which I showed in my summer lookbooks video. And yeah, you just need a good pair of shorts. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and leave your summer must-haves down below. If you want to enter my giveaway, you check out the description below, and don't forget to subscribe. I post vlogs on Mondays and main channel videos like this on Fridays, even though they're all on my main channel. If you guys want me to start a vlog channel, I will. I don't know if it's like annoying for me to post vlogs on my main channel. I don't know. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out all the information in the description below. I'll have everything that I showed in this video linked down below, as well as all my social medias. Peace out, babes.